Hi, it's Kirk again. Thanks for joining me today as we talk about the Federal Work Opportunity Tax Credit, the WOTC, and how it can reduce your federal tax burden by tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. This is one of many attractive tax credits that's seldom optimized. And each time a single employee is certified, you might end up saving anywhere from $2,400 to $9,600 for hiring that particular employee. It typically works best if you have at least 50 new hires. And if you do, you might be looking at 25,000 or more dollars in federal tax savings. So you have to hire people that are eligible. Who's eligible? There's multiple ways you can hire someone who is eligible. They can either be someone living in a targeted employment area. They can be somebody doing vocational rehab. Unemployed veterans are a big one. Probably the biggest of all will be the SNAP households. Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Programs means you hire a person who lives in an apartment where his girlfriend is on, who girlfriend has a child who is getting supplemental nutrition assistance, which is about a third of the country currently. And by virtue of hiring that person, you would be looking at a very significant federal WOTC for simply hiring the person you were going to hire anyway. The way we do it is designed to create more money for employers and less stress for staff. The process for doing that is considered our 1, 2, 3 WOTC process. 1, you survey. 2, you supervise. 3, you support. And when I say you, I don't mean you personally. I mean you hire a company like DCI who's expert in making this perfectly happen in a way that maximizes gain and reduces or even removes all the employee effort. Step, we survey people, and it's a series of questions, yes or no, typically with a signature. And then number supervise to guarantee that we have 100% capture that is in the screening of all the people hired. And then number support at year's end, be able to send the WOTC credits plus the work papers to you and your tax preparer, plus keep a copy for ourselves. And this simply summarizes whether it's 100,000 or maybe 20,000, how many dollars you should expect from the WOTC, and that you can claim that knowing that the claim will be bulletproof, thoroughly documented in every way by people who've been doing this for decades. That's the experience that DCI brings to the table. If you'd like to know more, please get in touch with us.